Okay, so I've showed you king prawn biryani. Now I'm going to show you prawn biryani. So we've got here just normal sized prawns. You can buy anywhere in the supermarket. These are, I think, Mr. Prawn. Same method, exactly same method. So you've got about a spoonful of oil, onions and peppers, stir a little bit, half a teaspoon of salt. It's good to put slightly less salt. You can always taste it, and if it's not enough, you can add as you go along. If you put too much, then there's no taking it back. Okay. As you can see, the onions are caramelizing fairly quickly, so just get the prawns in. Again, it depends how many you want as to how much prawns you put in. These are already cooked prawns, so you're not at risk like the king prawns, which are fresh. So you could have these cold in effect. So you want it cooked, but you don't have to overcook them. They're safe to eat. Okay, so when the prawns are done, you always remember, put the gas down. A little bit of our Desi-Style mix. Then you've got our boom biryani mix, a little bit of that. And we're going to make this slightly spicy, so a little bit of our chili. Up to you entirely how much you want. We're just going to a little bit. And then you've got optional green chilies as well. A little bit of coriander. Ready to mix. So slow gas. Let the spices mix in to the flavour. And then you add the rice in, as you can see. The rice is warm anyway, so you just need it to mix in. Don't be afraid to taste a bit of it. That's all fine. Add salt, add spice. If it's not hot enough, add some chili. Just add accordingly. And there you have it, prawn biryani, as easy as that.